Hello everyone. Now let's proceed to the next topic, which is the making of Noli Me Tangere, which is known as the social cancer. So why is it considered as the social cancer? Because Rizal wrote this novel to promote social reforms against the rules, the Spanish rule that oppressed the Filipino. So, the Nonimi Tangere contains 64 chapters, including the last one chapter, and was written in Spanish, which became the language and the structure of this novel. Second, its title is not originally conceived by Rizal but was taken from the Bible, from the book of John, chapter 20, verse 17. And we will tackle that later. And also, it is a novel written by Dr. Rizal which served as the eye-opener and wake-up call to Filipinos during Rizal's time. The novel inspires reform. So let's proceed to the second point, which is the title was not already conceived by Rizal, because the Noli Me Tangere, when it is translated from those Latin words, it means that touch me not. And touch me not came from the book of John, chapter 20, verse 17, which translated in English Standard Version of the Bible. The passage says that Jesus said to Mary Magdalene to do not cling to me or do not touch me, for I have not yet ascended to the Father, but go to my brothers and says to them that I am ascending to my Father and to your Father, my God and your God. So this inspires results to make this as a title for his first novel. His first novel, which is Noli Me Tangere, was proposed by Rizal about the Philippine Society on January 2, 1884 in Madrid, in one of the Filipino reunions. However, although the group agreed for the project, but this plan did not materialize, making Rizal as the push effort. And when Rizal is Madrid, he was able to write the first half of Noli Me Tangere. So those are the history of making of Noli Me Tangere. While the making of Noli Me Tangere, it has the cover itself. So the cover, Noli Me Tangere, has its own meaning. So according to SIDE 2008, Noli Me Tangere was a true story of Philippine condition during the last decade of Spanish rule. The places, the characters, the situation really exists. This includes the oppressions. So that inspires Rizal to write the novel about what happens to the Philippine society during the time or during the last decades of Spanish rule. So the cover of Noli Me Tangere has its own meaning. So as we can see, we have first the cross that represents the suffering. That's the suffering of Filipinos during the Spanish rule. Second, we have the pomelo blossoms and laurel leaves that represents the honor and the fidelity. Third, we have the silhouette of a Filipina, which is Maria Clara. Maria Clara is the character in the novel, and this character of Maria Clara, it represents become the standard of a Filipina. Fourth, we have the burning torch. This burning torch represents the rage of Filipinos and passions towards the country. fifth, we have the sunflowers that represents enlightenment. These novels, enlightenment Filipinos about the rights for liberty. This is what Rizal push. Liberty means that the rights of which is the human rights, the rights to live, the right to be the freedoms first for the freedom of speech and the freedom to express. Next, we have the bamboo stalks that were cut down but grow back. These stalks represents the resilience that Filipino can able to go back, able to rise up, can be stand up again, even to the experience oppression. Next is we have a man in a cassock with hairy feet, which represents the priest using religion in a dirty way. So, in the history, according to Rizal, priests using the religion to oppress Filipino, to such as being not able to get benefits from or cannot able to practice their beliefs because of their against to the church. Next, we have the chains. Chains represents the slavery for more than 333 years under the Spanish rules. Next, we have the whips, the cruelties that experienced by the Filipino under the Spanish rule, and the helmet of Guardian Civil, which is the arrogance for those in authority. So, Guardia Civil represents those in the who rules during that time, that thinks that they're more powerful than the Filipinos, that leads to oppressions. So this work of fiction of Rizal makes an sequel which is named as the El Filibusterismo, that expressed the theme of Philippine nationalism in the most profound and dramatic manner to arouse the latent spirit of frustrated people that leads to Filipino to push for independence. Next, the novel provides an exhaustible source of inspiration for solution to current condition and problems, like the foundation of the 1987 Constitution, Article number 3, Section 4, which is the Bill of Rights of Filipino, which is represented about the liberty that aims Rizal during the time and right now, and enjoy and practice by the Filipinos. So this liberty was able to make solutions to different conditions and problems, not just in the political way, but also in other problems in society that everyone that Filipinos lives on. So that's all, everyone. Thank you.